Hi everyone, today I will show you how to turn a line art image to depth map and 3D relief. First, let me visit the depth map generation page of Sculpt.OK and upload our image. Here's the picture we are going to draw today, which is a beautiful lady with classical relief style. Please notice here, as the image we just uploaded is a line art image, so we choose line art here. Then we click draw and waiting for the generation. Sculpt.OK generates 4 images at once, and we can choose one that works best. And we can click 3D preview to see how it looks in 3D. If you find that you are happy with the result, you can click No Watermark Preview and consume some credits to see the 3D performance without watermarks. Here you are, a beautiful 3D relief model is now ready. Now, let me download the model file and import it into ZBrush. As you can see, a very nice model is imported, and you can continue to work with the model in ZBrush. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all likes and subscribes, and we will see you next time.